Alright guys, so I have no idea how well this sounds, but I wanted to just tell a little bit of a story. So ever since I can remember, my dad always loved Corvettes. He loved Corvettes, okay? And when we were growing up, my dad owned a Corvette shop, and he worked on Corvettes, but he never really owned one himself that was like his, that he could daily drive, all that kind of stuff. He just worked on them, right? And then unfortunately we had to get rid of the shop. But ever since then, my dad has always worked his ass off to do whatever he can for us, always supported me. And it's always been a dream of mine to buy him a Corvette, okay? Always. And so with our Amazon business, with everything that we're doing, I'm finally in a place where, you know, me and my family and my wife and my son, we're taken care of, we're okay. And I wanted to do this. So I am currently in a Corvette that I bought for my dad. It doesn't really help you with anything. Maybe we'll flash some pictures up on the screen of what it actually looks like. It's not a brand new one. It's not like super special or any. It's a 1992. It's got a V8, as all Corvettes do. It's got a 6-speed. Well, not all. The old ones had a V6, but V8, 6-speed, it's everything that he wants in a Corvette. And so I'm driving it down. I live in Pennsylvania. My dad lives in North Carolina. And I'm driving this Corvette down. I bought it a day or so ago at the dealership. And I'm going to drive down and hand him the keys. So I will record a couple more times, but then we'll definitely have his reaction and all that kind of stuff. But guys, I bought my dad a car. Woo! Alright, what's up fam? So I'm about halfway in between North Carolina and Pennsylvania right now. I just wanted to get out, walk around. It's a 92 Corvette. It's got 51,000 miles on it, that's all, for a 28-year-old car. It's ridiculous, right? It's not brand new, okay? It didn't cost $100,000, but I did pay for it in cash. And I'm gonna give it to my dad because it's exactly what he wants, right? The exact car that he wants, and I'm just super pumped. I'm so excited. And like, guys, I don't care what you're doing. If you're building a business, you're building an Amazon business, whatever you're doing in life, right? When we think about like our motivation, like why we want to do things, right? We always be like, oh man, I want to make more money. I want to quit my job. I want to buy a car. I want to do whatever, right? It's easier said than done. Trust me, I know. But if you can flip your motivation, okay, from off yourself onto other people, I'm telling you, right? I'm telling you right now, from experience, the more material goods you have, the less they're worth, okay? What really brings me a lot of joy, a lot of happiness is doing things for other people. And doing something like this for my dad is gonna be, I can't tell you like the emotions that I'm feeling right now about how amazing it's gonna be. I'm super pumped. I am so excited. So I'm gonna give you guys a couple, it's the call. Be aware it's dirty. I've already driven in a couple hundred miles, got a couple more 100 miles to go. But guys, I am so pumped, and it's for my dad, and I wouldn't want it any other way, okay? Alright guys, probably sounds terrible, but I'm on my dad's road, about to drive up to the house. Here it goes. Little bit of you driving it over there, getting you some. Look at this man. You keep them.
I'm not keeping it.
Bought it for you.
You kidding?
Saying you hope you get one before you get too old to enjoy it. You got one.
You shouldn't have.
I already did. Can you take it back now? It worked out this weekend because Tom's just here, so I can ride back with him.
Thank you, buddy.
All right, fam. So we gave the car to him. He was shocked. I think his ego, his pride got in the way a little bit. But we're chilling here. He just took it for a little drive. I think he wanted a second to go bawl his eyes out, not in front of us. But it worked. I mean, this is a dream come true. Like, just to see his reaction, like see his face, like see what he thinks. And the whole time I took it for a drive, and then I let him drive it home. You saw that clip, right? Before he even knew it was his, and he was like naming off all these things that like we could do to it. And he was like, oh man, I think I can come to Pittsburgh in like 2 or 3 weeks, and we can work on it. We can do all this. And now it's like, nah, you don't have to wait. So I'm telling you, when your why, your motivation changes to what you can do for other people, generosity is just a whole other thing. So I'm pumped. It was fire. I'm excited. He's excited. Let's freaking go.